Police have made a breakthrough in the brutal murder of prominent businessman Joseph Mutangadora, arresting one suspect in connection with the case. Salamira mashoko kubuda pangwa ine kwanza mapurisa vokwanisa kubata a suspect aho pako ureo kwakaitwa Mutangadora. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida mnamonyo nyumba mchinzi. The suspect, Philip Mutasa, 38, was apprehended in Mkoba 6, Gweru, following weeks of investigations. Mutangadora, 67, a well-known businessman who ran the Hideout Leisure Sport along Dansan Road in Rua, was attacked and killed on August 17, 2025, in what police described as a violent robbery. According to investigators, the businessman was assaulted by a gang of armed robbers who raided his establishment, demanding cash and valuables before fatally attacking him. His murder shocked the Rua business community, which described him as a resilient entrepreneur who had employed dozens of people and supported several local initiatives. In a statement, the Zimbabwe Republic Police Therapy confirmed that October 3, 2025, detectives from the CID Homicide Harare received credible information linking Mutasa to the robbery and murder. Acting on the tip-off, detectives launched a manhunt, attacked him to Gweru, and arrested him. Upon interrogation, the suspect implicated 7 accomplices who are still at large. Efforts are underway to apprehend them, the police said. The arrest has brought relief to Mutangadora family, who had been demanding justice for weeks. Community leaders in Rua also welcomed the development, urging police to swiftly bring the remaining suspects to book to restore public confidence in the fight against violent crime. Police have since appealed to members of the public with information on the whereabouts of the outstanding suspects to come forward. Ndomashukano nokuda pangwa ino a breakthrough yoitika pakesi ya Mutangadora ani asikuziva pangwana nokuti he was a prominent businessman akaatakiwa and akaurayiwa chirifata. Pita kuma section medu zimafunguro enyi moti kudi pamusoro pichitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.